Christmas is almost here, which means that soon I'll be taking some time off for Christmas, New Year's, and just to relax. So I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now, I do realize that many are worse off than they were last Christmas, but I hope you'll enjoy Christmas anyway. Even the most tyrannical of governments can't stop you from enjoying little things like sunrises and sunsets and all those sort of things. So, as I said, we'll be taking some time off. See you next year. In the meantime, I encourage you to start thinking about how can we make 2022 the best year ever. Now, I know there's a pandemic, there are lockdowns, climate change, cyber attack threats, and a whole bunch of other scary stuff. But look, the news media are going to do their very best to scare you shitless over almost everything. And they've been doing this every year since before I was born, and it looks like every year they're upping the ante. We're still here. All those years and we're still here. There's no reason to succumb to the fear. Likewise, your government, no matter where you are in the world, is probably going to try to grab more control and interfere more with your daily life, increase the surveillance, that sort of thing. They'll use excuses like for your safety and to catch criminals and terrorists, those sort of things. Again, it's nothing new, and they'll only succeed as much as we let them. But this is not about them. This is about us. We decide what we do, not them. We do. And we decide how we respond to what's happening around us. And remember, with adversity always comes opportunity. Always. At the very least, adversity is great for building character. So, start dreaming about possibilities for 2022. If you stop dreaming the last few years, give yourself that luxury. Start dreaming and then make plans to turn some of those dreams into action next year. Me, I've already got dreams. Stick around if you want to see them unfold. Even better, click the link through to sign up to the newsletter for Kia Sigma Delta, and that way you will be the very first to hear of new things that are happening. Once again, Merry Christmas everyone, and I wish you a very Happy New Year. See you in 2022.